Hello, today we will guide you through how to add payment method on Meta Business Suite. To begin, open Meta Business Suite in your browser and make sure you are in the correct business account. This is the main workspace where you manage your business settings, billing, and other account tools. If you oversee more than one business, take a quick moment to confirm that the right account is selected before moving forward. That can help you avoid adding a payment method to the wrong business profile. Once you are on the Meta Business Suite home screen, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click Settings. This area contains the administrative tools for your business account, including permissions, assets, and billing-related options. If the screen feels crowded, do not worry. The Settings menu is organized into sections, and the option you need is a little farther down. After opening Settings, scroll down through the menu until you find Billing and Payments. Depending on your screen size or browser zoom level, you may need to scroll a bit to locate it. Take your time here and look carefully through the left side navigation so you do not miss it. When you see Billing and Payments, click on it to open the Billing Hub. This is the section where Meta keeps your payment information, billing activity, and account-related payment settings. It is the place you will use anytime you need to update or review how charges are handled for your business account. Next, in the left side navigation within the billing area, click Payment Methods. This page is specifically for managing the payment options connected to your account. If you already have a payment method on file, it may appear here. If not, this page will give you the option to add one. From there, click Add. Meta will then guide you through the on-screen procedure to enter your payment details and save the new payment method. Follow each prompt carefully and make sure the information you enter is accurate so the payment method can be added successfully. It is also a good idea to double-check the billing details before confirming, especially if this payment method will be used for ads or other business charges. Once the process is complete, your new payment method should appear in the Payment Methods section. And that is how to add a payment method on Meta Business Suite.